Finally, bro.
The proceeding was a
Flashes
test
on
of
my
the
bad.
National Weather Service warning alarm tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and or warnings, affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. Here is the forecast. Heat
Okay, turn off my
advisory
flash.
remains in effect from 10 a.m. this morning to 10 p.m. Thursday.
Let's just
for
go
Cook
through
County,
and
DuPage County, Lake
make my video longer. Let's go through. Let's change date and time on this stuff again. Power outage occurred about a couple days ago, actually. And I just never got the time to reset everything, unfortunately. This got reset. Time is wrong. Date is wrong. What time is that? Alright. That one went off for the right time this time. Let's see if this one's going to do another 6-hour event like it did last time. Okay, then this thing right here is a pain in the ass. Fuck it, let's say 23, 2025, month. How'd it get the month and stuff right, but not the date? There you go, buddy. Ooh. Alright. Everything's corrected now, except this thing. But this thing always seems to fall behind for some reason. Okay. Why did this one go out for a 30-minute event? I just realized this went out for a 30-minute event. What the heck, man? Good reception. Old reliable. But, yeah. That's RWT EAS 30, I believe. So let's go.